You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from French, literally meaning hot goat. And no, it doesn't really talk about a goat, but it's rather goat cheese. So when you serve goat cheese on a toast that is warmed up and a bit toasted, it's actually delicious. If you want more cooking terms, stay tuned. The French pronunciation here is as chèvre, which is French for goat. Chèvre chaud. Chaud means hot or warm. Chaud. Chèvre chaud. If you cannot pronounce French, you can say Chèvre chaud. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.